Hello everyone, how are you? First of all, I have to apologize for my appearance. I look like a mess. It's just one of those days I don't feel like really getting myself together and I am hating on my hair, but I have a hair appointment on Friday, so I'm super excited. So today I'm going to open my Sephora Play. I think the one I have is version or variation 674. I'm pretty sure it's the 3 last numbers on your cost center number on the front of the package. So if you do not know, Sephora Play is only $10 per month and you get sample size items of things you can find at Sephora stores. So that's pretty awesome if you want to try things first before you get them. So it's like makeup items, skincare, sometimes we even get things like mushroom latte mix or something like that, which I've yet to try. Gosh, it's been a whole month already. That's crazy. I got that in last month, but anyways, when you open the box, this is what it looks like. There's always this big sheet of paper in here, and on it you get 50 beauty insider points. I really need to take advantage of that one day. Even though I feel like with Sephora points you get like, what, like a little tiny sample or something like that. But, so this is what I'm talking about with that big sheet. So let's see, what is the theme this month? It says, mix your love potion. A dash of relaxation and a hint of bold beauty. Gather the ingredients for a powerful love potion that's all about you. And then it says things like cleanse with clay, polish and think positive, mask and meditate, swipe and sing. There's just all these ideas. It says rest your eyes, step away from the screen. Like, it's all just ways to relax and feel good. So I wonder if the items this month will reflect that. So on the back here is all the items I received. So you get 5 items and then a bonus item each month. So you get 6 items in your bag. It used to come in like a little canvas bag, but now you get in a little plastic reusable bag. It seals in the top. So I don't mind getting this. I know some people miss the bags, but I accumulated those. I didn't really like use them, so I'd rather get this. So I'm just gonna pour it all out. And the first thing I see is by Fresh. This is a rose face mask infused with real rose petals, hydrates and tones. So that is what the outer packaging looks like. Super cute. So this goes with the theme of relaxation. I typically only use sheet masks mostly because I'm lazy, but I should use this. My skin's just kind of been acting up ever since I flew the other day, and I always hear people talking about that. It usually doesn't happen to me, but I think just also being in a cooler climate for a few days also affected my skin. So let's see, how big is this? This is 15 mls. Let's see how full it is. So there is like a little safety seal on top. Ooh. Ooh, it smells pretty good. It smells like very like natural ingredients. A little bit like rose, I guess. It's not full like 100%, but it's pretty full in there. So, awesome. I like how it smells. So let's see what it says about it on the sheet. It says, keep your cool. Toning and hydrating gel mask that visibly restores skin radiance and suppleness. Why? It'll give you all the feels. This unique cooling mask is a bouquet of goodness for your skin. The refreshing formula moisturizes, soothes, and nourishes skin with real rose petals. How to use: apply a quarter size amount to cleanse skin and leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse. Awesome, maybe I'll do that later. I'm like in one of those moods I like need a night like that. I don't know why. Probably because it's like rainy here. I feel like I'm totally affected by the weather. Do you guys ever get like that? Oh, I see a few things in here I actually have or have tried before. I saw one thing I got really excited about for a second, but I'll wait to get to that. So this is the Caudalie Vino Source Cream Sorbet Moisturizer. I've tried this before. I used it all up. I do like it. I've also used the serum from this line, which I've mentioned in other videos, and I really like that too, so I don't mind getting this. I'm not really in need of any moisturizers, but I do like this product. And it's cute packaging too. So let's see what it says. It says, serve up the softness. Super light gel cream that hydrates and calms skin. Why it'll give you all the feels. You deserve the very best, and this ultra soothing formula is it. It nourishes sensitive skin with organic grape water, comforting chamomile, and antioxidant rich grapeseed. It says apply a dime size amount morning and night to the face and neck. Alright, so it doesn't seem like it's full away. You can't see through this, but I mean, it's a pretty good sample. I've gotten this size before and it lasted me over a week of use, maybe even like a couple weeks, because you only need a dime size amount like it says. So cool. So the next thing I see is the Milk Blur Stick. I actually have the full size of this, so I will definitely keep this for an upcoming giveaway. I might even add that lotion in just because I have so many and I know I'm getting one in my upcoming Boxy Looks. But that is what the outer packaging looks like. Pretty model. I do like this. I should use it more often. It's one of those things like, I just have so much stuff, sometimes I forget about it. So it does do a good job at blurring your pores, and that's a big problem of mine. My pores are very visible, so I do like this. So if you have that issue, I think you'd like this as well. And this is a super cute sample size. But this will last you a little while. I'll keep the packaging, I guess, for the giveaway, but yeah, this stuff in here is too small to do like an individual giveaway, but I'll do another one soon. Oh, by the way, I've been forgetting to mention in the beginning of my videos, my 2,000 subscriber giveaway is still going on until the end of the month, so I will leave the link below in the description box along with a link for Sephora Play if you have not yet subscribed or are interested and want to learn more. But we're not too far away from 3,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna have a giveaway soon, so this will be in the next giveaway. Let's see, it says a matte primer stick that minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines. You and this primer will make the ultimate power couple, help makeup look better and stay on longer with this lightweight blur stick. It works for all skin tones and goes on clear for a shine-free canvas. So it says just swipe all over the face and then blend. You can use it alone or as a primer. All right, what is next? Oh, this is what I'm the most excited about. Oh, it looks like it's like a little dirty, but whatever. This is a little Bite Beauty Lippy. I recognized it right away when I followed the bag because of this packaging. Do you see that? So let's see, what color is it? It's in Rhubarb. Oh yeah, this is so cute. It's a pretty good size for a mini lipstick. I actually just used a mini lipstick today that I received in my Ipsy yesterday. And I like it. It's like good for every day. This is a little bit darker. Let me swatch it. Ooh, it's pretty. I'm gonna try and hold, oh gosh, I kind of ruined the lipstick already. But I'm gonna try and hold up my samples and stuff a little bit longer. Someone told me I like pull them away too soon before they focus. I'm sorry, I'm just like one of those people that's like too fast paced sometimes. Yeah, I kind of pressed down too hard on that, but that's okay. So I've used this formula before. I received it in my FabFitFun maybe. But I have a full size of one of their Amuse Bouge lipsticks. So I know I like the formula, and this color I think is really pretty. So it says this is a high impact lipstick in a rich plum rose color with a soft creamy texture. And I guess this is an exclusive for Sephora. It says this handcrafted lipstick is the total package. It is infused with nutrients, vitamins, and omega oils that nurture skin while delivering saturated color and weightless coverage. It says apply to lips starting in the center and working outwards toward the corners of your mouth. Cool, I'm excited to try it. It's like a little bit darker than what I usually use, but it's super pretty and I love their formula, so I will definitely use it. It just like, look, it looks like it was like maybe the outer packaging was like a little bit scratched or something. It does not matter, the product itself is fine. But that's what I was talking about earlier. Ooh, and the next thing, this is my bonus, is Stella by Stella McCartney, the perfume. And I love this perfume. I received it like in my scent box maybe, or Scentbird, or I don't know, there's been a lot of fragrance subscriptions I've received, but this is one of my favorite scents and I ran out of it. So I'm super excited. So this is a bonus. It's, can you tell, it's full. It's not all the way full, but you know, sometimes they come like halfway. This is like a little bit more than a third or 3/4 full. So I love this. I think I put perfume on already today, but whatever. Smells so good. Like, this is one of my favorite perfumes of all time. So that's awesome to get that as a bonus. I will definitely like leave that in my bag or something, like somewhere where I can spritz on the go. It says this soft feminine scent is a homage to the English rose with sharp contrasted notes that keep things interesting. Stella McCartney is a trend-setting fashion brand known for its chic design and timeless scents. I wish I could afford the clothing. It's vegan and awesome, but it's expensive. So it is in the floral family. The top note is rose, the middle note is peony flower, and the bases are mandarin and amber. It smells awesome. And I guess this is an exclusive to Sephora too. I'm sure you can purchase it on like, you know, their website, Stella McCartney's website, but yeah, it smells so good. If you're ever in a Sephora store, you should totally go and take a snap. It smells so good. And then I just have one more thing, right? Okay, so this is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim eye mask. I feel like I've gotten this in so many boxes. I have at least a few, so I'll probably throw this into a future giveaway. Hopefully that's coming soon. I do like this. It's not like a miracle worker or anything like that, but it does make my eyes like more moisturized and a little less bag. Like my bags go down a little bit. I always have bags. I can sleep 8 hours and I still have a little bit of that going on, but these do help. I like them. And they stay on too. You know, some eye masks like fall off and stuff like that. So it says this is a set of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate skin. The multitasking eye mask does more than just look super luxurious. The serum hydrates skin and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the delicate under eye area. To use, you apply it to clean, dry under eyes and let it sit 10 to 15 minutes. Awesome. So I think overall this was a good box. So there's some things I've already gotten before, but I don't mind sharing with you guys in a giveaway. So I've tried 3 or 4 of the 6 items before. Oops, the blur stick just fell out. But okay, so we got the blur stick, the eye mask, the facial cream, the Stella scent, the Bite Beauty Lippy, which is the thing I'm the most excited about, and then the face mask by Fresh. So I'm definitely most excited about the Lippy and the face mask just because I've tried everything else, but I'm really excited to get that fragrance too because I ran out like I said, so maybe one day I'll splurge and get the full size, but I have a feeling it's expensive. But anyways, are we box twins? Did anyone get the same box as me, or what did you guys get? I know most people probably have opened this already. All my boxes came late this month. I know some people are still waiting on their Ipsy like I was, but anyways, thank you so much for unboxing with me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.